This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jana Deneau. Golf enthusiasts. Available as a vacation rental or an annual rental, this ground floor 2-bedroom unit offers a golf course view of the 5th hole. Granite countertops in kitchen with glass backsplash, updated kitchen lighting with crown molding and raised panel cabinets. Laminate floors throughout with carpet in both bedrooms. Offered turnkey furnished for a vacation rental or an annual rental. Spring Run is very active, offering a wide variety of amenities and social activities. The clubhouse amenities include casual and fine dining, lighted tennis courts, bocce courts, fitness room, and large pool and spa. Centrally located close to Coconut Point Mall, 15 to 20 minutes to the beach and international airport, Gulf Coast Town Center, FGCU, Miramar Outlet Mall and Hertz Arena. For more information, review the details below or contact Jana Deneau at 239-200-1990.